Do you want a flawless skin? Yes, you can have it. It need not be a dream, it's a reality, and it's very simple. From Oriflame's daily skincare, wellness products, and great hygiene, flawless skin is possible, and you would start enjoying everyday compliment from your dear ones. And yes, the routine is also very simple, safe, and above all, it's natural. Right? Nature is you. We are part of nature, and so we are having the natural goodness of the tea tree and lime extract to bring out the flawless skin. And so here we present the Love Nature range of tea tree and lime organic extracts to help you give you flawless skin. Please note, this range is for people below 20 years, and yes, it's more effective for them. Above 20 they can go for Optimal's range. The Love Nature tea tree and lime range is very powerful in antioxidant, in antibacterial properties, and also purifying the skin without drying and give you that flawless complexions. We also have in this some products on using daily instead of your regular soap can make a huge difference, and they are the Love Nature purifying gel wash, toner, and the face lotion. Weekly twice or thrice you can use the purifying 2-in-1 mask. So these are very powerful products and simple, and this whole set apart from the cream will definitely last for more than 5 to 6 months. So it's very economical, simple, and safe. So all this has to be used only pea size also. So this tea tree is completely organic, as I shared. It is basically for oily skin and more suitable for below 20 years. Yes, all ages people can use it, but 25 above can use Optimal's range because anti-aging benefits is included for you. And for pimple eradication, please use the tea tree oil from the Love Nature range for best results. The Love Nature tea tree oil is a face oil to be used only on the blemishes. You can use it directly on your cleansed skin with the help of your clean finger. Use it once in 3 to 4 hours, and the pimple or the acne dries without blemishes faster. You can use it even for boils on the body. It is dermatologically tested, paraben free. You can use it as and when required. It is non-greasy and evaporates very fast. After using, you can use your face creams. So this is to be used only on the targeted blemishes, please note. And to reduce the skin's oiliness, it's recommended that you use a very good sunscreen in the morning, which helps you prevent not only excess oil, tanning, and postpones aging. So this sun zone whitening protecting face and exposed area is very suitable for Love Nature tea tree range, as it has mattifying effect and also gives fairness. We also have Optimal sunscreens and Novate sunscreen as per the age. So start your day with a proper cleansing. Wet your face with a pea size of the face wash. Massage it for a minute and wash it off. After patting your skin dry, use a cotton ball. Take some 3-4 drops of the tea tree toner and wipe it all over your face. Avoid the eye area. And then apply a pea size of the tea tree lotion. So this 1, 2, 3 has to be followed morning and evening, and the scrub and mask has to be followed weekly twice. Scrub mask, as it says, has to be used on a cleansed skin. Evening is preferable. Use it like a pack for 15 minutes on your face. Avoid your eye area. After 15 minutes, with little bit of warm water, massage your face for 5 minutes and wash it off, and follow it with your tea tree toner and cream for best results. So no need to visit a salon for your cleanup or facial. It is very simple. In matter of 15 minutes you get a very clean skin. Subscribe to our channel for further updates on beauty and business consultancy, and do attend our expert webinars. Thank you.